One of the most famous oceanic mysteries is the bloop, a low-frequency sound detected in the 1990s that seemed to come from a massive, unknown creature deep below the Pacific Ocean. Despite various theories, including the idea that the sound came from shifting icebergs, some have speculated that the bloop could be evidence of an unknown, possibly intelligent species lurking in the ocean depths. This event left many wondering if the ocean could be home to creatures that have evolved in ways we cannot even imagine. The deep ocean environment is extreme, cold, dark, and under immense pressure. Yet life thrives there in forms that challenge our understanding of biology. Strange bioluminescent creatures light up the darkness, and giant squids, which for centuries were thought to be mythical sea monsters, turned out to be real. These discoveries hint that life in the deep sea can take on forms so different from what we know that they might as well be aliens. And if such bizarre life forms exist naturally on Earth, could there be something even more mysterious hiding further below? With this in mind, we move on to some of the more recent discoveries and theories that have led scientists to consider the possibility of extraterrestrial-like life in our oceans. What makes the deep sea such a perfect candidate for harboring alien life? And why do some believe that Earth's oceans could be a hotspot for encounters with the unknown? In recent years, our understanding of the deep ocean has expanded thanks to advances in underwater exploration technologies like remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and advanced sonar mapping. These tools have allowed scientists to explore deeper than ever before, uncovering strange ecosystems that seem almost otherworldly. Among the most fascinating discoveries are hydrothermal vent communities, ecosystems that thrive in complete darkness, feeding off chemicals released by underwater volcanic activity. These life forms, such as tube worms and giant clams, live without sunlight and rely on chemosynthesis, a process entirely different from the photosynthesis that sustains life on the surface. What makes these ecosystems so captivating is that they resemble the kind of life scientists expect to find on other planets or moons, like Jupiter's icy moon Europa, which is believed to harbor a subsurface ocean beneath its frozen crust. The similarities between Earth's hydrothermal vent life and the possible conditions on Europa have led some researchers to suggest that if life can exist in such extreme environments on Earth, it might also exist in the oceans of other celestial bodies. This possibility has fueled the idea that alien life might not only be out there in space, but could also be hiding in Earth's own oceans. Moreover, there are theories that Earth's oceans could be a target for extraterrestrial visits. Proponents of these theories point to various underwater sightings of unidentified submerged objects, USOs. Unlike UFOs, which are seen in the sky, USOs are observed moving swiftly through water, often at depths and speeds that seem impossible for any known human technology. Reports from naval officers and deep-sea explorers have described strange lights moving under the water and rapidly diving into the ocean's depths. While many of these sightings can be explained by natural phenomena or military technology, some remain unexplained and suggest the possibility of advanced, unknown crafts navigating the oceans. One particularly mysterious case involves the so-called Baltic Sea Anomaly, a large, oddly shaped object found on the floor of the Baltic Sea in 2011. The anomaly, which has a structure that some describe as resembling a crashed spacecraft, sparked debate among scientists, conspiracy theorists, and UFO enthusiasts. Although geological experts believe it to be a natural rock formation, others speculate that it could be an ancient alien structure or even the remnants of a spacecraft that plunged into the sea long ago. This mystery continues to captivate those who wonder whether Earth's oceans could conceal ancient evidence of extraterrestrial visitors. The idea that Earth's oceans might serve as a hiding place for alien life extends to theories about underwater bases. Some enthusiasts believe that aliens could be using the deep ocean as a perfect hideout, shielded from human detection by the immense pressure and inaccessibility of the deep sea. Given how little we know about these environments, the theory is tantalizing, even if it lacks concrete evidence. The vastness of the ocean makes it an ideal candidate for hiding something or someone who doesn't want to be found. From strange signals to unidentified objects, these mysteries have led many to believe that our oceans could harbor life forms that are beyond our current understanding. As science continues to probe deeper into the ocean's secrets, we are left wondering, could the answer to our search for extraterrestrial life lie right here beneath the waves? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our oceans, the question of whether alien life could exist beneath the waves becomes even more complex. The allure of this possibility lies not just in the tantalizing mysteries we've already uncovered, but in the sheer scale and depth of the oceans themselves. With over 70% of Earth's surface covered by water, and much of that water plunging to depths that remain unexplored, the oceans offer an environment as vast and alien as outer space itself. One of the most intriguing aspects of the ocean alien theory is the concept of cryptic biodiversity, the idea that undiscovered species could be hiding in the deep ocean. These species may be so unlike any known life on Earth that they could challenge our very definition of life. For example, in the Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the world's oceans, scientists have discovered organisms that survive in conditions previously thought to be uninhabitable, such as extreme cold, crushing pressure, and complete darkness. This discovery suggests that life is far more adaptable and resilient than we once believed. In addition to strange life forms, the deep ocean is home to unexplained phenomena that continue to puzzle scientists. One such phenomenon is bioluminescence, the ability of certain organisms to produce their own light. While bioluminescence has been observed in various sea creatures like jellyfish, squid, and certain types of fish, the full extent of its purpose remains a mystery. Some speculate that bioluminescence could be a form of communication used by unknown intelligent species living in the ocean's depths, possibly even a language or code. Imagine if a highly advanced underwater civilization were communicating in a way that we haven't yet learned to interpret. Another captivating mystery is the so-called ocean UFOs, or USOs, as mentioned earlier. These unidentified submerged objects have been reported by credible sources, including military personnel who have witnessed objects moving at impossible speeds beneath the ocean's surface. The U.S. Navy has even declassified footage showing objects that seem to transition seamlessly from air to water without losing speed. These sightings raise questions. Could these USOs be evidence of advanced technology from another world, using our oceans as a means of concealment or as a base of operations? Or could they be a form of unknown terrestrial life evolved to a level of intelligence that rivals our own? One theory that has gained traction among enthusiasts is the idea that these underwater visitors are not from another planet, but from another time. The ocean is a place where time seems to stand still, where creatures that have survived unchanged for millions of years still thrive. Some speculate that advanced life forms could have evolved in the ocean long before humans appeared on the scene and have remained hidden from us, developing technologies that surpass our understanding. This theory aligns with the idea that some of the world's most ancient myths, like the stories of Atlantis, might have been rooted in real encounters with advanced underwater civilizations. However, not all experts agree that aliens could be hiding in the ocean. Many scientists caution against jumping to conclusions without solid evidence. They argue that most USO sightings can be explained by natural oceanic phenomena, such as bioluminescent plankton or deep-sea gas releases, which can create strange lights and movements underwater. The unexplained sounds like the bloop have also been largely attributed to natural events, such as icebergs breaking apart. Skeptics believe that while the deep ocean remains mysterious, it is likely that all phenomena have natural explanations that we have yet to fully understand. Yet, the skepticism does not deter those who believe in the possibility of underwater aliens. The ocean remains a frontier of discovery, where new species are found every year, and ancient mysteries continue to surface. From the mysterious megalodon sightings to the legends of sea monsters that have persisted through centuries, the ocean's depths seem to be a place where the line between myth and reality blurs. For every rational explanation, there remains a small lingering doubt, a space for the imagination to wonder if, perhaps, we are not as alone as we think. As we look to the future, the ongoing exploration of the oceans could be just as important to the search for alien life as our missions to Mars or the moons of Jupiter. Projects like NASA's Europa Clipper mission aim to explore the possibility of life in the icy oceans of other worlds. But maybe the clues we need are right here on our own planet. With every new deep-sea dive and sonar scan, we may be one step closer to discovering life forms that challenge our understanding of biology and evolution. Ultimately, the idea that aliens could exist in our oceans remains speculative but profoundly intriguing. It combines the wonder of space exploration with the unexplored mysteries of our own world. While concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life in the ocean is still lacking, the possibility opens the door to endless questions. What would such life forms look like? How would they communicate? And what technologies might they possess? And most importantly, what would their existence mean for our understanding of life in the universe? Perhaps one day, as our exploration of the deep sea continues, we will uncover something that reshapes our understanding of life. Whether it's an unknown species, a mysterious structure, or a message from an intelligent civilization hidden beneath the waves. Until then, the ocean remains a vast, unexplored frontier where reality and imagination blend into one, leaving us to ponder the mysteries that lie beneath the surface.